Here's how to do it using just your phone. In your first outfit, open up the umbrella and flip it above your head. Then wear your second outfit and do the exact same thing. Now just input both clips inside of CapCut, then go to the first clip right when the umbrella covers your face, tap on the split and delete the piece in the front. Then go to the second clip right when the umbrella covers your face again, tap on the split and delete the piece in the back. Export your video and that's it. Follow me for more tutorials like this.
一阴一阳之谓道，仔细东来。
Alright guys, so this one is going viral right now on Instagram, so I wanted to show you guys step by step how to do it using just your phone and CapCut. Record yourself doing the hand motion in 4 different outfits. Now you're going to input all of your clips inside of CapCut, then go to the first clip and go to right when the hand comes down, tap on split and delete the piece in front. Then go to the next clip and find right when the hand is down, tap on split, but this time delete the piece in the back. Go to right when the hand is back down, tap on split and delete the piece in the front. Follow the exact same steps for all the other clips in the front, export your video and that's it. Follow me for more tutorials like this.
Vai explodir no paredão. Olha que menina louca, olha que mulher agressiva, olha que menina.
Here's how to do it. First record a video of yourself like this, then input that video inside of CapCut, tap on overlay and input an object. Tap on remove BG, auto remover to remove the background. Then drag it out of the frame, tap on the keyframe, move a little forward, drag it right over the bag, move a little forward, drag it down into the bag and make it really small. All of that together should look like this. Then tap on overlay again, input another object and repeat the entire process. Do the same thing for as many other objects as you have, export your video and that's it. Follow me for more tutorials like this. I just came across this crazy edit here on Instagram and I'm going to show you the easiest way to do it. Tap your camera to the ceiling somehow, then record multiple clips of you in different outfits like this. Now inside of CapCut, you're going to go to the second clip, tap on overlay to drop it below and do the same thing for all the clips in front. Tap on overlay again and input our green screen clip. Come in fan and I'll send you this one. Tap on remove BG, chroma key, remove the green background and position it like this. Then go to right where you want the transition to start happening and drag one of the clips right to that point. Tap on the keyframe, then tap on mask, select the horizontal mask, tap on invert and position the mask right on the fan blade. Scrap a little forward and move the mask to follow the blade. Keep going until you get to the very end. Go to where you want the next transition to happen and drag the next clip to that point. Then repeat all the steps we just went through, export your video and follow me for more tutorials like this. So this is going viral right now, so I wanted to show you guys step by step how to do it. Input an image of any color or comment gold and I'll send you this one. Then tap on overlay and input your photo and tap on remove background. Then tap on mask, horizontal and split the photo. Tap on duplicate to make another copy and drag it below. Tap on mask again and tap on invert. Go to the beginning of the first half and tap on the keyframe. Then move a little forward and drag the piece above. Go towards the end of the clip and tap on the keyframe again. Go to the very end and drag it back in position. Now do the same thing for the bottom half. Tap on overlay and input a photo, tap on layers and make sure it's below. Move a little forward and tap on the keyframe. Go back to the beginning and resize the image to make it really small. Go towards the end and tap on the keyframe. Go to the very end and resize the clip to make it small again. Tap on overlay again, add another element and repeat the steps. Now at this point, it's just a matter of tapping on the overlay, input a new element, remove the background and use keyframes to move it to wherever you want. Just repeat this and add as many elements as you would like, export your video and that's it. Here is how to do this. Get yourself a green outfit like this and wear it under your outfit. Perform all of the actions you like and then record an empty background of the scene. Inside of CapCut, go to the clip of you, tap on overlay to drop it below and move it to the back. Then tap on remove BG, chroma key, then just increase the intensity until the green disappears. Export your video and that's it. If you like my videos, please make sure to subscribe. It helps me out a lot. I'll see you on the next tutorial.